Nell and Ed. Plot summary. Ed the dog and Nell the bird undertake a joint project. Ed has a basket which he wants to fill with cherries. He cannot climb up the cherry tree, and Nell cannot reach up to any of the cherries. Finally, Nell stands on top of Ed's back, and they fill the basket this way. When they go home, they work together and make 3 big cherry pies. All the animals stop by and are full of praise for Nell and Ed as a team. Ed runs with it.
Let me see that.
See them? Let me! Let me! Let me, Nell!
Ed fell. Nell is mad. Ed did this well. Nell did that well.
We did well, Ed. See them in it? Let me, Ed.
Ed did it. Nell did it.
We did well, Ed.
Ed did well. Nell did well.